Okay. Subsequently, CERC, Forum of Regulators, have approached Advocate General, Attorney General of India, okay, and has sought his opinion on this matter. And his opinion is also very clear. That's what I understand, that it is applicable to open access and captive generators as well. Now, how this renewable energy certificate mechanism will help captive and open access generators? Take a case, say there is a 50 megawatt open access consumer. 50 megawatt open access consumer is procuring around, say, 300 million units of energy. Okay. Through open access route over a period of a year. The state has set a target of 5%.
Okay.
So he has to procure 15 million units of renewable energy.
Right.
Okay. He has got two options, or three options I would say now. Two options are procuring the renewable energy from any renewable energy generator using open access route, the way he is procuring other generation.
Exactly.
Second option is setting up its own plant, either on site or off site. And the third option, which we would like to make it available, which would be much more cost effective, is a renewable energy certificate. The first option is a procurement of renewable energy through or from the independent renewable energy generator, would involve payment of the transmission charges, loss compensation, balancing market charges, wheeling charges, depending on the wherever he is connected.
Right.
Because whether it's a renewable energy transaction or a conventional energy transaction, all the charges are applicable. And the consumer would face the same problem.
Right.
He won't be able to schedule the generation.
Right.
Okay. The second one, if he has got if there is a possibility of locating renewable energy generation on site, nothing like that.
Great.
But if he doesn't have a potential and he has to install the renewable energy generation, suppose the same consumer has to install renewable energy generator, and if he has to install wind generator somewhere 300 kilometers away, even then he has to take the open access because he can't lay the 300 kilometer transmission line to his own plant, and he will face the same problems.
Exactly.
Okay. So what we are proposing as a part of this is the renewable energy will be divided into two parts. One would be the electricity cost generation and one would be the renewable component of it.
Okay. And how will you calculate?
There is a methodology which is being developed under the guidance of CERC and Forum of Regulators.
Okay. Which will be made applicable to all.
Which will be made applicable to all. Okay. CERC is also developing the tariff regulations for all the technologies, renewable energy technologies in the country. And again, ABPS Infrastructure Advisory is working, assisting CERC in doing that. Coming back to the issue of REC, this REC component would be available for purchase to this captive and open access generators. And since this REC is a financial instrument, it's a paper transaction, it's a paper instrument, the cost of executing the renewable energy through REC mechanism will be extremely low.
Right.
As compared to the other two options.
Absolutely.
Okay, which we discussed. And that's how the REC mechanism will be extremely useful. See, currently,
so this is like carbon trading, an analogous concept, you could say.
it is something similar, but it's not carbon trading. Okay, and let's not refer to the carbon issue over here. Okay, the reason is there are certain issues with the additionality and what you can do in country and outside the country. We wouldn't like to get into this issue.
Right.
Because this is not an incentive mechanism, while the carbon is incentive mechanism.
Right.
That is supposed to make projects viable.
Right.
Here we are not talking about making project viable. Here our sole and simple objective is to enable the transactions in renewable energy at a low cost across the country.
Right.
Without geographical boundaries of the state.
Right. Right.
Okay. So let's not refer to the carbon trading or CDM over here. The objectives are two totally different.